Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I will show you how to restore recently deleted Instagram post. Instagram recently deleted feature allows users to review posts they have removed from their profile feed and even restore those posts. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Go to your Instagram profile page and click on the three lines icon in the top right corner. Hit Settings at the bottom of the screen. After that, press on the Account section. Now scroll down until you see the Recently Deleted section and tap to open it. Here you can see your removed posts, IGTV videos, Reels, and Stories. Click on the grid icon at the top of the screen and then choose the post that you would like to restore. Press on the three dots icon in the upper right corner of the post. Select the Restore option from the pop-up menu. Confirm by tapping Restore. Instagram will ask you to confirm that it is you trying to restore the post. So decide whether you want to get a security code by a text message or email. Once you enter the received code, your post will be restored. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to restore recently deleted Instagram posts. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.